Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Discord problem on the application of Remitly app. You will go to settings. Here you will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go down until you find this window of Remitly app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.